Oh yeah, there you go. Another one sneaking up on his ass. That one popped up, looked at him, went back under.
Mm-hmm. Well, this is it, guys. We finally made it. We've been here for about 3 days. It's Memorial Weekend, so it's been pretty noisy. So, let's see what the inside looks like. This is no longer our home away from home. It is home. Small but adorably cozy. We are taking some time here before we start traveling and hitting the road to make sure everything works, tweak things out. Yeah, we splurged on a Berkey water filter. We really didn't want to spend that much money, but I did a lot of research, and Berkey is definitely the best. And if we're boondocking or whatever and we have to take river or lake water, we want to make sure we have a filter that's going to make it safe to drink, and Berkey says they can do that. And we did have to buy a topper, 2-inch topper for the bed. And we're still tweaking things out, but we're getting there. Slowly but surely. We don't want to rush it. And this, definitely got to think of something for this. We got our clothes in duffel bags and just up on the bed here, but well, this is toiletries and personal hygiene station. We don't really use this for dishes or anything. I do all that outside. So we just turn this into our bathroom area. Dinette's a little small, but it's working okay. And in this spot here, we used to have the toiletries here, but we are seriously considering putting a little cubby wood stove there. Although our furnace works really good, it really sucks up the propane, so I think a wood stove in the long run will save us money. So, the adventure begins. Okay guys, right now we are just vegetating in our chairs, becoming one with nature. Listening.
I become one with nature, okay.
Listening to the birds and the wind and the weirdo beside me.
Oh, I have come one with nature.
Let us vegetate.
There you go.
Om.
I am incognito. Nobody can see who I am. Mosquitoes are bad out here.
I can definitely hear who you are, though.
Oh!
Well, here's some geese. Let's go see if we can find some loons. So far, our first week of van life in the little pop-up camper is going pretty good. Of course, we've found a few problems and things that needed to be upgraded and or fixed and or tweaked and or junked. Let's go this way. But we're getting there. I figure we'll be hanging around another couple weeks to get everything done, and then hopefully we'll be hitting the road. Probably be showing you some of the tweaks in the next video. Some of them are minor, some major, and some just to make the camper more homey and cozy. Not seeing any loons. Not even seeing all them geese that were making all the ruckus. We heard the loons a few times, but all in all, they've been staying pretty quiet. Well, we've been wanting for a long time to try one of these pudgy pies. I don't know why we never really got around to trying them, but we're going to make Sloppy Joe pudgy pies for lunch. But first we have to make a fire. Get some wood in there. Oh. So it looks like she should take off now, so I'll let the fire burn for a while and then we'll get to our pudgy pies. Where's the pudgy pie thing?
Right there. In Pudgy Pie Land.
Okay, we're gonna have some pudgy pies.
Alright, Pudgy!
Pudgy, 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 pudgy.
Pudgy pies is good for you.
Okay, so. Now let me check. Probably should check the meat first. You got some pre-cooked Sloppy Joe.
Because we don't know how to cook.
And it better be good.
Cook it in the woods.
Oh, I forgot a spoon.
Smoking in the boys' room.
And some wipes.
Oh shit, that's Mike you.
Yeah, would you get me the wipes, por favor?
Sure, I feel good now.
Meat is thawed, apparently. Pretty much, anyway. Supposedly already flavored, so we'll see how good that is. One bread. Which one is that? That one's the top. One bread. One bread. Tuck in those corners. There we go. I guess that looks good. Now where's the cheese? Pepper jack. There we go. Now let's see how these babies come out. Okay. Now we'll let them cook about 2 or 3 minutes on each side while I make up some ice sodas.
Oh, adult beverages beer, they call it. Root beer. The water fairy didn't come today.
Yeah. I see some of this gunk on my finger here.
Uh-oh.
Don't want that in my soda.
No,
Don't
no,
want
no.
Sloppy Joe soda.
Yeah. It's to die for. You ever turn off the furnace?
Yeah.
Is it warm in there when you get into work or something?
Well, after I started working, it started warming up pretty good, so
Sure.
I turned it off. Okay, let's go turn that pudgy pie over. Ooh-wee.
Ooh-wee, baby.
Ooh-wee.
Pudgy pies.
Smoky pies.
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh, man, you could throw some marshmallow in there, some fucking
Oh, yeah, you can make
chocolate and
s'more pudgy pies, pizza pudgy pies. I mean,
pizza pockets I would love.
yeah.
What else can you make in there?
We'll try the pizza pockets next.
What else can you make in there?
Ham and cheese, Philly cheesesteak,
Really? Just about anything you cook on the stove?
breakfast sandwiches.
Really? Huh. Didn't know that.
Anything you want to throw in a tortilla, you could make
Well, what if I don't have tortillas? I only got bread.
taco pies.
Can I do it with bread?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. What else should we know? Hey, I'm doing it for the kids out there.
They take a few minutes to make and then enjoy. Yeah, I want to try some dessert ones, like some
S'mores.
caramel apple. You put some apple, sprinkle with caramel and put it in there, and a little bit of butter and sugar maybe, or in our case, monk fruit.
Oh, no. What we got there?
Ooh.
Oh, did you spray the insides of it?
Mm-hmm.
Good. I always spray the insides with something. I throw a stick of butter in there.
Looking really good, but I think a little longer.
Let's see what you got there, one. Hang on, I'm coming through.
Burnt.
Oh.
We put them in there a minute too long.
Yeah. Fucking around cameras. Yeah. Well, they taste good burnt too.
We should have took them out when they were just a little toasty.
Yeah. Yeah, that heats up quick.
Okay, let's get them on the plate.
I gotta go over there?
No.
Huh?
No.
I'm coming over here then. We're having burnt pudgy pies. Oh, she's anxious and pissy. Bring it on.
I don't think we can eat these.
Why?
Because they're burnt to a crisp.
So bring it here. I get the insides out. And this is what happens when you don't pay attention.
Next time we'll take it when it's not quite done. Okay guys, we're going to try this again. This time we're going to use a timer. We're going to do 2 minutes per side. And hopefully that will be brown, not black.
Oh, you saying a minute?
That fire must really be hot.
Well, yeah, it's like 2,000 degrees.
Okay, so we did just 2 minutes and they turned out pretty good. This one's a little bit burnt, but if we would have done 2 minutes on each side, they definitely would have been burnt. So let's see what they... So yeah, they look pretty good. So we'll be doing more pudgy pies.
Hi.
Hi, so what do you think about our first week of pop-up camper life?
Things didn't pop like they should have. But first week out here testing everything, everything's working good. Our cheap solar
Yeah, we got good solar. All
It's
right.
staying at 100% in the trees, so we're good. The engine runs good. The furnace, because they got down to like 20 below, 20 above, 20 D. Who knows, 20 something.
Yeah, we're getting acclimated.
Sleeping like a baby.
Going to sleep with the sun and waking up with the birds.
My glucose is dropping like crazy. Mama's all worried.
Yeah, you keep an eye on that.
Yeah. Other than that, yeah, things are George style. Lay back.
Yeah, just enjoy. Well, we haven't had a lot of time to just enjoy, but we have done some exploring, some snoozing, and just enjoying nature, besides getting everything in order.
Yeah, one thing I don't understand is why we warm up an empty trailer for.
That's a good question. The furnace is in there just running,
Yeah, and
isn't
we're all here freezing. Throw another log on the fire, baby.
We marked.
Yeah, we marked.
Okay, let's turn the furnace off. We're wasting power here. Yeah, we're at this site for a few more days, and then we're going to move down the road, a few miles down the road to another campground for a week. And by that time, we should be able to hit the road and get the heck out of here and start doing some traveling and stuff. That's what's been happening. So once we leave this area, I think we're going to head into North Dakota. We still want to get to Teddy Roosevelt National Park. We tried twice to get there and didn't make it, so god damn it, we got to make it.
Teddy Roosevelt, ain't that we gotta make reservations?
At the campground, I think so, yeah. I can't wait to see the wild horses.
Really, I can't wait to wake up and one sticking his head in my window. If I catch him, can I keep him?
No.
Take him home?
Oh, you think one will fit in the camper here?
Oh, a miniature one would.
Yeah, we saw the loon close by this morning, but as soon as I grabbed the camera and started heading down there, he flew away. But it's just beautiful waking up to the birds every morning. Well, and the mosquitoes, but most days they're not too bad. So, next time I talk to you guys, we'll probably be at Richardson Lake, awaiting our departure date for Teddy Roosevelt National Park.